Hi, friends. It's time for a recap, and today we're going to talk about feelings. Feelings are the emotions that we display or we show when we are experiencing something. Like if you it's your birthday and your parents throw you a party, you might feel happy or excited. If mommy makes something for dinner that you don't like, you might feel disgusted and not want to eat it. So the way that we react to different things is called our feelings, okay? And we're going to review some feelings here that we have. Um, so I want you to look at the picture and tell me what feeling you see here. So this one is happy. En español es alegre. Alegre, happy. Another feeling is sad. Sad. En español es triste. Triste. Sad. Another feeling that you might feel is mad or angry. Enojado in español. Enojado. Mad or angry. Scared. Have you ever felt scared, friends? Scared is another feeling you might feel. In español, it's asustado. Asustado. Scared. This is frustrated. Frustrated is when you're trying to do something and you can't do it, or if you want something or you want to figure out something and you just can't, it might make you angry or frustrated. Miss Charles was frustrated the other day because my computer wouldn't work. And I tried so many different ways to fix it and it still wouldn't work. And then when I finally got it fixed, my internet didn't work. And guess what, friends? I was so frustrated that I just said, you know what? I'm going to sleep. So frustrated. En español, frustrado. Frustrado. This is proud. Proud. Proud is a feeling that you feel when you've accomplished something. Like, say that you have been practicing trying to tie your shoelace, and it's been so hard, and you've just been practicing and practicing, and finally you learn how to tie your shoelace. Then you may start to feel proud, like, yes, I did it. I can do it. I know how to tie my shoe. En español es orgulloso, 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 proud, orgulloso. This one is embarrassed. Friends, we've all felt embarrassed before. I think one time, whenever I have planning with Miss Sawyers and Miss Banks, sometimes I might forget to bring my book, and then I'm like, oh man, I'm so embarrassed. I have to run back to the classroom and get my book because I forgot. Sometimes we might feel embarrassed. And in Espanol, it's avergonzado. Avergonzado. Embarrassed. Have you ever been embarrassed before? And these are all the ones that we talked about. Plus, they've added nervous or nervioso. They've added love, amado, querido, sorry, querido, and lonely, solitario. Have you ever felt lonely by yourself before? So those are the rest of the feelings. We have sad, embarrassed, frustrated, mad, scared, nervous, happy, loved, proud, and lonely. Can you point to the happy face? Point to the happy face, friends. Good job. Can you point to the sad face? sad? Can you point to the face that shows loved? And can you point to nervous? So, friends, we want you to know also that people might feel differently about the same thing. So, say that Miss Charles asked everybody to take a turn coming up to say their name, okay? Some friends might be excited about that, like, yes, I get up to go in front of the friends and say my name. Some friends might feel nervous and might not want to get up and speak in front of the friends. So you, even though we are doing the same activity, people can feel differently about it. Just the same as like if your mom or dad made spaghetti, you might have a brother or sister and they may love spaghetti, but spaghetti may not be your favorite. So they may be excited about spaghetti, but you're frustrated, like, oh, I really don't like when we have spaghetti. I really would prefer to eat a hot dog or some chicken tonight or rice, right? So even though there are the same experiences, people can feel differently. And it's okay for somebody to feel differently than you do. So if I like broccoli, but my friend doesn't like broccoli, that's okay. We just feel differently about broccoli. And it doesn't mean that they're wrong or I'm wrong for feeling differently. It just means we have a different opinion or different feeling about it, okay? So now next to this video, there is a link that you can click and there's an activity for you to do. And I'm going to show you the activity, okay? You get to make your very own feelings chart. So the feelings chart will look like this, okay? There's two pieces in there. So you will notice that, what in the world, Miss Charles cut one out. I cut out a picture. And this is the picture of sad. So what you do with this activity is you cut out the pictures and there's another sheet for you to match the picture. And I'm going to show you closely. So see if you can see that. It says, this is how I feel today. So after you cut your pictures out, and I'm doing them one by one, you cut your picture out. So this is the picture of sad. You get your glue stick. And then you glue it onto in the little square that says sad. So you see, that's where the sad goes. I'll bring this over to you so you can see. See how I did that? And it has a place for lonely, embarrassed, frustrated, mad, nervous, proud, scared, loved, and happy. So you will cut the pictures out from here, cut those pictures out, and glue them onto here. Then you can have your own feelings wheel, or you can also draw your own pictures there in that spot. So if you didn't want to cut these out and you wanted to draw your own pictures of frustrated and embarrassed and lonely and sad, you can do that as well, okay? All right, friends, I will see you in the next lesson. Have a good day. Bye.